beginning. Before anything was made, no sun, no stars, no earth, no animals, there was only God. Everything was dark, and the earth was just a big shapeless ocean of water. Day 1, light and dark. God said, "Let there be light." And poof, there was light. God saw that the light was good. He called the light day and the darkness night. And that was the end of the first day. Day 2, the sky and the water. Next, God wanted to separate the big water. He made a giant, invisible space above the water, which we call the sky or the atmosphere. The water below the sky stayed on the earth. The water above the sky became the clouds. And that was the end of the second day. Day 3, land, seas, and plants. On the third day, God gathered all the water on the earth into one place. When the water moved, dry land appeared. He called the dry land earth. He called the collected water seas. Then God commanded the earth to grow green things. All kinds of grass, herbs, plants with seeds, and fruit trees started growing, each making their own kind of seed. God saw it was good, and that was the end of the third day. Day 4, sun, moon, and stars. Now the sky needed more lights. God made 2 great lights. The bigger light, the sun, to rule the day. The smaller light, the moon, to rule the night. He also sprinkled countless stars all across the dark sky. These lights were made to separate the day from the night. Be signs to mark seasons, days, and years. God saw it was good, and that was the end of the 4th day. Day 5, birds and fish. On the 5th day, God created living creatures for the water and the sky. He created giant sea creatures and every kind of fish to fill the seas. He created every kind of bird to fly in the sky. God blessed them, telling them to multiply and fill the waters and the air. God saw it was good, and that was the end of the 5th day. Day 6, land animals and people. This was a big day. First, God created all the creatures that walk, crawl, and run on the land. Cattle like cows and sheep. Creeping things like snakes and lizards. Wild animals like lions, elephants, and deer. Then God said, "Let us make people in our own image to be like us." He made the first people, man and woman. He gave them dominion, which means they would be in charge over the fish, the birds, and all the animals on the earth. God blessed them and told them to be fruitful and multiply and to take care of the earth. He gave them all the seed-bearing plants and fruit trees for their food. God looked at everything he had made, and he said it was very good. And that was the end of the 6th day. Day 7, the day of rest. By the 7th day, God had finished all his work. So, on this day, God rested from creating. He blessed the 7th day and made it holy as a special day of rest.